My name is John Lopes. I am an Automation Solution Manager for Northeast Electrical Distributors. This presentation is a quick overview of SMC's electric actuator lineup. SMC has taken their well-known pneumatic actuators and converted them to electric. There are many benefits to using electric over pneumatic. With no need for compressed air, infrastructure and energy costs are lower. With electric, you can easily control the ramp rates, speed, and position of the actuator and be repeatable. The actuators can switch in and out of torque mode for pressing applications. The LE series is designed for easy setup and commissioning. The actuators can be ordered with cables and drives as one part number. The drives come in pre-configured for that actuator, which makes commissioning even easier. The LE line is available in a variety of types: linear slides, rod actuators, slide and rotary tables, grippers, and a miniature series that is used for the semiconductor industry. The JXC 91 is a single-axis controller for the LE series actuators with 24-volt DC stepper motors and is compatible with Ethernet IP. The actuators can be operated by calling up a line of step data. The step data or index can be modified over Ethernet IP. Other functions that can be used over the network is monitor alarm outputs, reset the drive, or have the actuator return back to home. The drive itself can store up to 64 lines of step data or indexes. The drive can run in a position mode or push operation, which is a torque mode. It can do absolute or relative indexes. The drive can be mounted by DIN rail or screw bracket. There are 6 LED status indicators in front of the drive, and there's also 3 rotary switches so you can set up the drive's IP addresses. The drive is configurable using software. The JXC 93 is a 4-axis controller for the LE series actuators with 24-volt DC stepper motors. 4 electric actuators can be controlled within one package, which simplifies wiring and saves space. The JXC 93 is capable of complex coordinated movements. These movements include 2-axis arc or circular interpolation, 3-axis linear interpolation, or 4-axis synchronous positioning. A call to one line of step data can include force and movement instructions for up to 4 axes. Typical applications include pick and place, sorting or filling, synchronous lifting while maintaining orientation and stability, and nonlinear path tracing for graphic, production, or dispensing applications. The drive can store up to 2,048 lines of step data with up to 4 axes of control per line. It can perform positioning or push operations. It can do absolute and relative indexes. The drive can be mounted with a screw bracket or DIN rail mounting. It's programmable with SMC software with your laptop and a standard USB cable. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation on SMC's LE series electric actuators. If you have any application questions, here is my contact information.